Welcome back. Today we take a huge step forward in our challenge to get from Barnsley to Benidorm and back in a banger. We're off to the farm today. We're going to change the rotten subframe. If you've been watching the videos, you'll see the subframe's rotten as hell. Today we're going to go and change that. Going to get it absolutely ready for the MOT. Before that, we're going to go over, have a four-wheel alignment, get some new tyres on and hopefully get it through the MOT, where then we'll set off on the huge challenge from Barnsley to Benidorm and back in a clapped out old MK4 Mondeo that we've rescued from the scrap heap. Let's head down to Lincoln, wonderful Lincoln, and get that car ready to rock and roll. So here we are, we're down on the farm, as you can see behind me. Before I go and take you to the car, I just thought I'd show you this place. I'll put all links in the description for this place. It's absolutely brilliant. They do caravan storage, motorhome storage, over that way sort of thing. They've got a rally field as well, so if you're looking for a cheap overnight stop out this way, I'll put links to that as well. I think he only charges like a £5 to pull up, you know what I mean? There's water and that on and waste and things like that, so absolutely brilliant. But we're down here. Bad news, well, bad news and good news. On the Mondeo front, the subframe is a lot worse than what we thought. So I'm going to take you and show you its subframe. Dog, Bonnie. And then I'll get to the car and I'll show you the car, see what we've done. But subframe's off. I'll show you rotten subframe. Here we go. It's just falling to pieces. Look at this. It's just rotten. Everything about it's just a nightmare. Absolutely. This is good side. This is the good side, as you can see. Bushes are still alright. Yeah? Turn it over, and as you see again, just rotten. Absolutely rotten. Big holes under here. Right there. Big holes under here. I'll see if I can show you the big holes if I can find them. There you can see, I don't know if you can see them, under there, and then under this side. It's just rotten to the core, all down under there. It's just absolutely rotten. But the good thing is, we're on. We've got it on, so I'm going to find it, I'm going to show it to you. Come and look at this. So there you go. You enjoy that. Nice bit of music for you. I'll spin you around and I'll show you. There she is. She's not looking too bad now, is she? Not looking too bad at all. You know what I mean? Looking really nice. I don't think I can show you underneath front back, but we've got new drop links on there. Everything's done. Everything's absolutely fine. We've got new bottom arms on there. We've got, I don't think you can see that. So that's good, it's all done. Next stop, we're back up from Lincolnshire up into South Yorkshire because we're taking it straight for the four-wheel alignment and a new set of tyres all the way around. We've got it a once over for the pre-MOT and it's not looking too bad for the old MOT. So that's what we're going to do next. Up to South Yorkshire, tyres, four-wheel alignment, get it booked in for MOT. Finally, can we set off from Barnsley to Benidorm and back in this banger? Can we finally set off? Let's go and get some tyres on. Bang, we're back. We're back over in South Yorkshire. Lovely drive up. Weather's turned cloudy. We're here. Kilness Tyres. We're at a place called Kilness Tyres. Now these lads are going to look after us. I'll spin you around. Mondingo over here. We're having a new set of boots on. 98 quid a piece. We're going for good ones. We need some good ones, don't we? So we're going for some nice ones. So going to get them done first. And then we're over here, look. Down there where these lads are. They're going to give us a four-wheel alignment as well, so they're going to get underneath, get it all tracked up, get it all lovely, lovely. As soon as that's done, we're ready for MOT. So as soon as lad comes out, starts changing them, I'll let you see, and then we'll get an alignment machine as well. I'll show you that. So jobs are good, and let's take a look. Bang, done. So we've got Gary behind us. I'll spin you around and show you. He's going to take care of us with tyres. Going to get them done. He's got the old locker. I'll spin you around, look. He's just in there. He says let me cover up because I've only got my scruffy clothes on. So don't worry. Here's here, look. We've got the professional. We've got the old pro. This is not Gary, this is Gary here, look. I better be nice because he's got a big lever in his hand. So while he's doing that, I'm going to see how bad these tyres are. I don't think front ones are too bad. I think the back ones at worst, but we better have all four on. We'll get Gary's professional opinion on how bad they actually are. Once he's took them off. Right, first tyre, first front tyre, have a look at this. Not bad that, is it? Not bad, can you see that? Not bad at all, that. Barely legal, barely legal. They all look like they've got some tread on them. So we've been alright coming back up motorway, but definitely won't change it. As soon as he takes them off, I'll show you. Maxxis AP3s, that's what he's just asked me. He said, are you having Maxxis AP3s? I said yes, that's what we're having on, because apparently they're good ones. So, as we do. That's front tour, they're a lot worse than I thought. All perished, so they're definitely ready for changing. He's going to get that first one done there, then he's going to get second done, then he'll get the backs done as well. As soon as they're done, we're in for alignment. Right, while he's changing them, I'll show you something else a bit more interesting. I'm going to show you where we're going to have alignment done. Apparently it's up here, I've no idea where I'm going. We're up in at left bay. I'm guessing it's that one super tracker. It's going to be that one up there, I'm guessing. Where did they have alignment done, mate? Is it in one of these? This one here? Happy days. So it's this one here. This one here. This is where we're going in a bit. Job is a good one. So we'll get these done, we'll fetch it up here, and as soon as it starts on alignment, we'll see just how far it is with this new subframe. I'm guessing it's going to be 1,000,000 miles out, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Let's take another look. Bang, first one's being wheeled out. Look at these little babies. Whoa, look at them. Beautiful, that's more like it. Absolutely bang on. Absolutely bang on. All weather, so if we get any rain or snow on his way down when we're going through them mountains, we should be all right. So that's your first one. He's just gone to get second one, and he's going to get these on. We'll get second ones done on rear over there. And job is a good one. So look at that, they're really nice then, really nice all weather tread. really, really good. Happy days. Let's get him, let's get out of the way so we can get on with it. We'll get all four on, and then I'm going to take you up into the top shed and get this four-wheel alignment done and just see how bad it was. I'm guessing it's going to be pretty bad because I've noticed on way up steering wheel was quite out for some reason. I've no idea why because it was straight before, but I don't know if that's something to do with they've tried to line it up when they put subframe on and get it as close as they can. I don't know, but these guys are professionals. These will know what to do. Happy days. Kilness Tyres. Just been talking to the lads inside as well. They don't just do tyres here, they do absolutely everything from servicing to aircon to MOTs, absolutely everything. So yeah, not a bad place to know. Good prices, reasonable prices as well, and happy days. I'll spin you around and just give a quick 360 while I'm putting the tyres on. Job's a gooder. Let's get these alignment done, shall we? Let's see what this involves. Bang, we're in. We're going to get ready. We're going to get it on computer. We're going to see just how far out it actually is. Let's take a look. Right, so we've got Paul behind us. He's the expert, the four-wheel alignment man. He's a four-wheel alignment man. I'm going to spin you around, look. So we've just had a new rear subframe put on, Paul. I'm guessing it's going to be miles and miles out. Happy days. So what are you doing there? Just do it steering wheel, get it bang on? Yeah. Happy days, happy days. Music in background. I'm going to get done off YouTube hour and a half for putting music on. So here we go. I don't know how this works. I'm setting it up as we do, and we'll see how far it is. I'm guessing it's going to be a mile out. On the why would tracking up front be out if we just had the rear subframe done? You know what I mean?
When you tune in rear adjustments,
yeah,
you'll see these moving as well.
Right.
It'll bring front further in or take it to a route.
Right. Because we changed subframe and the steering wheel was slightly to the right after. Yeah. As we do. Which bits do you have to adjust? Is it like just a nut, a track rod, or? Oh, right, here, look, yeah. And that tells us on the computer over there, does it?
Yeah, if you look at readings in a minute.
Yeah. What do you need to get it to? Right, got you. As you can see, we're just doing it over there. Look on bottom one. Rear. Trying to get it over into green. It looks like it's a mile out. Is there a percentage, any particular numbers we're looking for? Yeah. That toe? Right. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get this green in tow. So that's one he's on at the minute. It's got that one over. As you can see over here, we're a mile out, absolute mile out. Front one is a mile out there. Can you see that? That one is a mile out. And that one is a mile out. So what we're doing is we're going to get these arrows over here for tow. Cambers are not too bad. Cambers are just about in the middle, but they usually do. So this one is working on at the minute. Absolutely bang on. So we're in green on that one, but as you can see, all the others absolutely miles and miles out. But I've got faith in him. I've got faith in him. He's got a spanner and he's got an hammer, so hopefully it'll be all right. So that's one that's in line. It's going to do what? All right. So now he's got that, as you can see, it's automatically started pulling front end in here as well, so that one's absolutely bang on. This one's moving over, we're in the green. Not quite in the middle, but it's a lot better. This one is now in green as well, just by doing that. So just by adjusting one or two of those nuts on back on those bottom arms, it's just made a massive difference. So have you got to do both, or carry on, or get him bang it middle at green, or what? Happy days. So as we can see now, what he's saying is the back is absolutely bang on. So your rear one's here, look, I don't know if you can see for light on camera, let me get around here. The back now, both absolutely bang on. Drive passenger side front, bang on. So it's just this one over here, the driver's front, is a little bit out, and happy days. It's in green, but I reckon he's going to make that absolutely bang on, absolutely bang on. So he's going to play with that, and job is a proverbial good one. I thought it were going to take hours and hours this. How long does it usually take?
It depends, mate. It depends the thing that he's done.
Job's a good one. So it must be a good car then, because it's only took a few minutes. So while it's up in the air, I'll just show you its subframe here, look. So as you can see, new subframes on there. We've got new drop links over there. We've got new bushes over here, new bushes over here. And job is a good one. So it's not too bad. If you saw other frame, as you saw earlier on in the video, that frame were absolutely rotten, but new rubber bushes on back for the exhaust here, look, as well. There are lovely chunky tyres. These are the two nuts he's just adjusted for the bottom arm. So you've got your bottom arms here, bottom arm there. So these are the ones he's just lined up to get it as close as possible. And now he's just working on driver's side front over there, and passenger side front over there to get tracking in. Bit of spray on them, because obviously they've not been undone.
Yeah, right, mate. That's done now.
That's all done, is it? All done as quick as that. Few minutes and happy days. So job is a proverbial good one. Now is the painful part. I've got to go and pay for 4 tyres and a 4-wheel alignment. Bang done, easy as that. So that was Paul, expert. He said it were quite a way out, but obviously everything were pretty new under there with nuts and bolts and everything, so there were no messing about trying to free things up, so it worked all right. So it only took a few minutes, so that were good. Kilness Tyres, I'll spin you around one final time, show you the number, 01709 585 278. If you want to, if you're in South Yorkshire area, well worth knowing this place, does absolutely everything. I'm going to go inside, settle my bill, and then it's time for the MOT before we head down to Benidorm in a banger and back from Barnsley. I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.